This is a weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday, 10th of March 2025. Hi everyone, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today I will be analyzing different currency pairs like the pound dollar, euro dollar, Aussie US dollar, dollar CAD, dollar yen, dollar CHF and gold. Take a pen and a paper just in case if you need to write down some of the important levels so you can. Remember, this is not a signal video, this is not financial advice. This video is purely for educational purposes and my intention is so that more and more traders can learn new concepts from my videos. So without wasting further time, let's jump into the chart and let's find out what we can get in the upcoming week. First of all, on the pound dollar, my friends, just have a look at this beautiful looking chart. So on this chart, as soon as I open it and as soon as I see this whole chart and analyze it in my brain that okay, this is a downward move, this is an upward move, then a correction, then another correction of a correction. Very nice chart because everything my strategy requires are present on this chart at the moment. And I gave in the mid of January I gave a very fantastic long-term trade giving us 620 pips. So congratulations to all of you for that. And I think if out there from my analysis, if someone is making money, it makes me happy. So also try to give me feedback in the comment section. This is all for you, because if you, let's say if you are facing any sort of problem and if you share it with me in the comment section down below, what I will do is I read all of the comments. I don't ignore any comment. You can check back every comment, I give a response. So it helps me find your problems and then making videos on those topics so that you learn about it, and if in case you are making any sort of mistakes, you don't repeat them again. So this is my intention. Now on this clean and nice looking chart, what first step I can do is I definitely will be looking for any trend line if that is there. Wow, fantastic bullish trend line, no rocket science, just connected this and just connected this. Now this touch I have to study it a little bit, right my friends? How do I study it? I will see if price took a rejection from here. Is this an important level? So this trade we already took it, and I will be giving the link of that video in the description so you can watch that video as well. So this level I have identified that okay, this is a very nice strong support we have on a weekly chart. And after that, when we took this buying decision, what was the take profit one? The take profit one was at the 61.8% retracement, and the strategy gave us that profit. Just have a look at it. So 1.21146 as a support and 1.29159 as a resistance. Very simple. Here my friends, I want to tell you one thing. If you stick to the daily and the H4 time frames, believe me, in the longer run you will be more successful, you will be making profits consistently. But if you focus on the lower time frames without understanding the strategy properly, the 99% chances are that you will blow your account. So in this video I always tell you to stick to the higher time frames. It is very easy, it is very less hectic, and it always gives you high probable trading setup because the bigger traders are behind these moves. Retail traders cannot drop the market as this from there till here, right? So this is the strategy that is playing around. Who is playing with the strategy? The bigger traders. And this strategy of the Fibonacci is the strategy of long-term traders. So in the longer run, this strategy is going to give you fantastic results, right my friends? Now I have identified a trend line. Now the levels are there. What's next? Let's have a look at the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, what I'm going to do is again trying to draw it like this, and if we see 1.29185 61.8% retracement of this impulsive wave. Let's have a look at it. And where was the support? Let's draw it from the weekly once more, so that I get a daily image very clearly. And let's see. So on a daily time frame, this setup on a weekly looks like this, and on a daily time frame it looks as this. Now what's next? One more pro tip I want to give you, and in this video and in the upcoming videos I will try to give you more and more educational concepts as well, so you follow the techniques as well, you learn new things as well, right my friends? Very nice Fibonacci number right here. So what's next? Obviously I'm not going to do anything right here. I just closed my position in 620 pips of a profit, right? So what's next? Immediately I'm not going to take any trade. This is the requirement of the strategy. Remember, in every strategy they say buy sell buy sell. I haven't seen any option for buy sell wait, buy or sell. Three things my friends, there are three things. Because wait is also very much important, and today in this video you will see that how this concept can, like how we can give a shape to this concept. In reality, how do we trade with it? So how that looks like, I will do one more simple thing. Since now I am assuming this as my impulsive wave, simply I am going to draw a Fibonacci zone, and there are two levels. One is 38.2% retracement at a price of 1.26090, and the other one is this. So both of these levels are going to be a fantastic zones for me in the future. Maybe in the upcoming 1 week, 2 week, 3 weeks, as far as, remember, as far as price is trading below 1.29185 on a daily time frame, I have to say that market is coming back down to 61.8% retracement, and from right here I will be taking positions, right? At this particular zone I just hardly, and even if you are trading with the Fibonacci, so I assume we just close the buy position. How can we enter immediately in a sell? So in this particular situation, wait and patience is so much important my friends, and if you understand this, believe me, you are a successful trader from now on. You can write it down with yourself, I'm saying it. So very simple structure this is on the pound dollar. Now what's next if it closes above this? Since we are holding no positions, wherever it goes, it doesn't matter. And it also doesn't mean that we have to catch every move. Because here if I see, this is our long-term resistance zone, this one. Because if it gives us a break above this structure, then the situation will look something like this. See, this, a breakout, then in most of the cases the market go straight up, and sometimes the market gives a move like this, then a retest, and then continue to the top side of the market. So this particular, obviously in this particular plan I might not be interested. I will say okay, why not, I should try to look for a sell opportunity right here, or there is some other opportunities. Let's say we get a break of structure from here, we can wait for a correction and we can just look for the entry on the H4. So it will be very simple. I hope you guys understand it. I tried to make this strategy even more simple, and even if you have any problem, maybe then I have to discuss the psychology of the trading, because the traders who cannot trade effectively for profit, I mean, then those are the psychological problems. As far as the strategy is concerned, this is the simple strategy, right? And nothing is guaranteed in the forex. We talk in terms of probabilities. So just like this was a probable setup, we booked 620 pips from it. It was nice. So I hope this terminology will help you. Now I want to make it more clear for you that at this stage I am not at all interested in this bullish move. Not at all. I am interested a bullish move from here. So let's see, till next week I see price dropping towards 1.24161. If it, then that will be nice. If it doesn't, I will let the market go up, because this is a very strong level, and let's see what happens. Maybe some false wicks, some false breakouts, but after all, this level will be super important for us. Move on to the dollar yen again. On a weekly time frame, what I said in the past is that there is a fantastic 61.8% retracement, and let's see what the market did is, on a weekly basis it didn't respected the 61.8% retracement. So the bullish opportunities worked very nicely, but right here when I took this sell trade, the market initially was giving me 505 pips, and later it reverses on me and stop me out with around 200 pips of loss. So how do I look at this situation? I will look at this as a situation where I book profit from the pound dollar 620 pips. The dollar yen took 200 pips back from me. Is this a problem? No. Does this mean that I have to revenge trading? Not at all. So what's next on the weekly? Obviously this level is now not important for me anymore, right? So let's then switch to the daily time frame. Let me run the analysis first of all by identifying the levels, and obviously the levels are these. So I would like to see this market for a bullish, but let's have a look at it. Every situation is different from another. Market is exactly standing at a buy level, and even we have seen a rejection from this zone as well. If you see 147, when market was up there, I said it's dropping. It did. See, it was very closer to my take profit zone. So 778 pips it dropped. So now what's next? Obviously, if we see dollar yen in simple words, if I tell you, this is clearly standing at a buy point. Now taking a buy right here or not taking it, that is a complete separate story, because the image right here is a bit blurry. If we see, we have got a break of structure right here. See, market exactly did not respect it. So I definitely will look for some more reversal candles right here, and then I will at least try to target a price point of at least, right, I can book more profits as well, but at least 723 pips has gone nowhere, right, at a price point of 154.275. so let's see, I will be taking a sell from there. At least for now I'm thinking I will be taking a sell there, but when the market will be there, I have to look for candlesticks and price action confirmation as well, any other confirmation. If I get RSI divergence and stuff like that, if I get it, I definitely will be trying to look for a sell opportunity. So it suggests at the moment a buy from here for 745 pips, and from there again 745 pips. Only the lucky trader get the right trade, get into the right trade. Remember, sellers make profits, buyers make profits. Who loses then? Those who enters in between, those who have no plan, right? You may have seen that very few traders, and they are very much successful. Why? Do you know why? Why are they very successful? There are a lot of factors. If I explain them one by one right now, it will take a lot of the time, but you have to think about it. Why most of the uh, why these 5% of the traders are more successful? It has to do something with the trading psychology as well. If our trading psychology is weak from right here, if we are emotionally weak, if we again and again repeat mistakes and similar repetitive mistakes like the FOMO, for example, then obviously those traders then wipe up the accounts one by one over and over again, over and over again. So, being my subscriber and my audience and my follower, please promise me that you will stick to these higher time frames. Just learn this strategy. This is a lifetime skill. Today I'm here explaining these levels for you. Someday I will not be here. Maybe I quit, maybe I start something else. So, or maybe if I quit, so who will be giving you these levels then? It's better you understand it yourself. So this is the dollar yen. Is it simple? Now the dollar CAD weekly. A very fantastic bullish move right here, and even we have got sort of like a fake breakout and a break in. Well, my friends, in simple words on a daily time frame, if I show you, there is a very fantastic Fibonacci zone right here we have. Let's see if that is hit already right here. And the market initially gave 384 pips, so I will be marking this 61 as a support for now. And what I'm going to do is I will be like, obviously those who entered right here, they exit at the Fibonacci 61.8% retracement right here. So I will be highlighting this area as well, like this. Simple is always better. And now it suggests a drop as well, and it also suggests that this is now the situation. This is the situation that is suggesting an up move once again towards 1.46345, and most probably I will be trying to look for sell opportunity up there. So why I will be looking for a sell opportunity up there? Because of this ABCD pattern completion. Once it's complete, once price is standing at a point D, once it gives me a rejection candle with a very tiny stop loss, I enter into the trade and I make profit, right? Now, one question most of the traders ask me, hey Aftab, why do you upload these forecasts, and why you do, if you are a successful trader, why you are on YouTube? Remember, my friends, I take this trading very seriously, and perhaps that's the reason I'm here today. If I didn't took it seriously, I would be on the road by now. Do you get my point? I would be on the road right now. So I look at this market with a very realistic perspective. And this is a business for me. This is not like a jackpot or a casino for me, where I will be doubling my accounts or my money. So I take it seriously, periodic profits as per my requirements. And one thing, if let's say I have 5k account, I will be making a profit on that. So 5k dollars of account can give me a 10 to 15% of profit. Similarly, the $10,000 of account give me more profit of the percentage, right? So equity is also, I'm mostly short of equity, right? Because where I started 9 years ago, I delivered with all, like today most of the brokers and the websites contact me that, hey, do a paid promotion with us. But why I am not going for that? Because of the credibility. Later, if they are not credible, you will say Aftab just referred us to a very wrong service. So yes, this is the dollar CAD for now. Let's see. And for a buy, maybe in the upcoming week, if by chance the market drops till 1.41785 and a double bottom is established, then I will try to book some quick profits from it as a buy. So let me also add this buying signal right here. Remember, try to apply this strategy on your demo account. So once you get familiar with my strategy, then it will be very much easy for you to give it a live try. Move on to the Aussie US dollar. Very fantastic support is established right here. Didn't I said buy a once a market break a certain structure? Just in this case it broke this structure. So once it broke, we have this impulsive wave already validated. So once it was validated, we grabbed our Fibonacci and this was the trade setup. See how fantastic it was. Personally I didn't took it 200 pips down. Now it suggests an up move towards 0.65520 again. So obviously it's going up there and I'm going to take sell up there. There's a very nice resistance as well, previous breakout point as well. In the next episode I will discuss it in further detail. So let's see. Yes, anyways, I'm not trading it in the upcoming week, and this level is now not important for us anymore. So let's see, if I add it like this, it will be looking something like this. And yes, this is again a buying zone, so I will be looking for a buy near this particular area. Let me also add an arrow right here, so next week I remember it. This is the Aussie US dollar. Very simple, no rocket science. Okay, move on to the Euro US dollar. Fantastic move it gave. I was checking my previous videos, and in those videos, even from 2023, if you watch my videos, you will see that this was my sell area once and twice, and my take profit level was this 61.8% retracement. Very simple, no rocket science at all. So when we were taking a trade right here, 620 pips it gave as well. Now right here, if we see, what I'm going to do further is, this is a weekly time frame, so let's switch to the daily and see. On a daily time frame, even that day in a video I discussed it in complete detail. What I said on maybe Thursday is, if we get a rejection from here, then this is already a sell area. What I'm waiting for is, I'm just waiting for candlesticks. If we get enough rejection from here, I can easily say the market is going to drop towards a 61.8% retracement. And where is that 61% retracement? It will be at a price of 1.04500. Very simple. So I'm going to add an arrow right here as well, because I will know that once price is right here, another drop of around 469 pips, and that will be good. So I'm going to buy from 1.04500, and let's see where then the market takes me, because if I do the Fibonacci thing right now, it can make the things a bit complicated, and I don't want to make these forecasts complicated. I want to keep them as simple as they were in the starting, right my friends? Dollar CHF. Let's have a look at it on the dollar CHF. Don't you remember I gave you this sell? Now I'm not sure why the traders are not making money. Let's say if 100 traders contact me, 10 will say we made very good profits, we are very happy, and out of them the 90 says we were aware that the market is dropping from here, but we didn't took a trade. So what type of mindset is that? I don't understand. And it has like a, that's why I'm these days a bit more focusing on the trading psychology. because at least I want a 50% improvement in all of you. Day by day bring positive changes in your trading style, in your trading career. So this sell I gave, don't you remember I gave you a buy trade from here in September? Just I will also be giving the link of that video in the description. Check it out as well. And even if you are a short-term trader who trades on the 15-minute and the H1 and who is a scalper and you are watching this, being in your comfort zone, you can make lots and lots of profits, my friends. Don't ignore these higher time frames, because these higher time frames are what? These are the professional time frames. The rest of these, they are just gambling, false wicks, false breakouts. And at a time you don't even understand if your strategy is working after all or not. The strategy works, but this is the market on the lower time frames. If you are interested in that, I'm also trying to open a new channel for the lower time frame trading. Most probably I will be live streaming. I'm not sure, but let's see. So on the dollar CHF, if we see, very nicely the market dropped, and for your kind information, let me tell you what was this level. Do you see we have got a previous break of structure, right? So from here a new level was established as this, and then this level gave us a Fibonacci number. This, just have a look at it. I mean, this much of a false room we have to give to the market. If we don't, we always will be stopping out again and again and again. So from a 618 the market dropped, but I'm not adding a line right here on the 618, right here. I will be adding a line at right here and another line right here, because now I don't get one level but I get a zone between 0.92035 and 0.9084 for a reversal. These traders already took this profit from the market and they are profitable in around 406 pips. Where are their targets and where they are looking to add fresh buying decisions? Near 61.8% retracement, and that is 0.87056. If you guys focus on these levels, by the next week, the end of the next week, you will be saying, hey Aftab, we made this much profit, we made this much profit. But first, my friends, try to stick to these higher time frames, right? Just avoid 15-minute, 5-minute, 1-minute, M30 H1. Just do the weekly and the daily and execute on the H4. That will be super nice for you. So I'm also trying to add a line right here. I'm so sure and I'm so hopeful that I will be getting this buying trade, because I also need some money. Recently my daughter was not feeling well and then we have to go for a surgery very immediately. One of my member, my client, he helped me. So now the school dues of them. So for that, definitely I need this trade. And when your trading psychology is strong, you know how to manage your trades better, right? So this is it for now on the dollar CHF. On the gold dollar, my friends, on the gold dollar, it is very much complicated. So let's see during the non-farm employment change if we can get some sort of maybe a pullback toward this broken level till here. That will also be fine. 2740 approximately, right? At least I'm looking for 2740. But at this present moment, I may not be able to say anything in this weekly Forex forecast regarding gold. I will try to upload a new video tomorrow on Sunday and make sure to never miss that, right? Overall, gold is standing at a very nice sell point, but sell levels do break, right? Stop losses do get hit. So no guarantee, but just probabilities, and even these probabilities can bring lots and lots of profits to you, but you have to follow the market and you have to listen to the mentor. Make sure to give me your suggestions, your feedback in the comment section down below. I will see you next time in some other video. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.